Imagine heating a fridge magnet to pizza oven temps and it just quits. Now imagine a magnet that shrugs at that heat and keeps pulling like a champ. That's Samarium, specifically Samarium cobalt, magnetism's maverick. Here's the hook. Samarium magnets hold their strength where others tap out. Most neodymium magnets start losing it around a couple hundred degrees Celsius. Samarium cobalt? It keeps working up around the 300 degrees C range, thanks to a sky-high Curie temperature and stubborn coercivity. Translation: it's really hard to demagnetize. Why? Deep in samarium's 4f electrons, magnetism is shielded and locked into crystal directions. Magnetocrystalline anisotropy. That lock-in is so strong, samarium magnets resist heat, stray fields, even radiation. There are two all-star lineups, SMCO5, SM2SO17. SMCO5 is insanely tough against demagnetization. SM2Co17 trades a bit of that for even higher maximum energy product, meaning more magnetic punch per volume. Neither beats top-tier neodymium at room temperature strength, but when the environment gets nasty, hot, corrosive, high radiation, samarium wins. There is a catch: they're brittle, they use cobalt, and they cost more. So if you're building a desk toy, pick neodymium. But if your magnet has to survive a desert, a vacuum, or a turbine, samarium is the adult in the room. The big idea is simple. Strength isn't just about how hard you pull, it's how well you hold on when the world pushes back. That's why samarium is a magnetism maverick. It's engineered stubbornness, and in the extremes, stubbornness wins.